Welcome back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we'll be talking about a collaboration with Jordan brand on the Air Jordan 13, and this is a collab with SOLEFLY. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back everyone to another unboxing and review. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. Today we'll be talking about a collaboration done with Jordan brand and SOLEFLY. We'll go through the overview of these, jump into size and fit, followed by how I styled them. Then we'll conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into it. This is such a beautiful color combination. Honestly, the box was really what was the stunner when I officially opened these up. So SOLEFLY is a company that is based out of Miami. So as you can see, this has a very Miami feel to it. We've got the tissue paper inside, which has this really cool water effect, and the outer lining of the box is sand. So it definitely makes you feel like you were out and about on the beach. Love that they decided to go, honestly, with a clear cover here and to use that tissue paper as kind of the inner lining for that design. As far as the color scheme goes, this is probably one of my favorite color schemes I have currently seen on the 13 silhouette. I think that this is just such a beautiful color combination. They've got some different luxurious materials that they used on here too, including this ripstop nylon, which you see on the upper here, and this kind of eggshell cream color scheme. We've got a simple, just light gray on the front there, but as we work our way up, we've got SOLEFLY written in that light UNC blue colorway. The laces are in that eggshell color scheme as well, with hits of that gray color scheme. As we work our way up, we've still got that really cool ripstop nylon material in that eggshell color scheme, with SOLEFLY's logo on one of the tongues and Jordan brand's logo on the other tongue, which are nicely embroidered in the UNC colorway. On the interior, we've got this really luxurious plush UNC metallic satiny color scheme going on there, which really just makes this seem like it's a more executed, high level, luxurious type of sneaker. Let's take a look at those details, then move along to the side panelings. All right, so moving along to the side paneling, we've got more of that university blue on the side panels underneath that light gray, which works its way to the back of the heel. And then we've got the tiger eye right here in the holographic color scheme, and then more of that blue suede and gray underneath. The sneaker is then completed with that eggshell cream colorway for the midsole and that nice UNC blue on top. The outsole then has this really cool holographic water effect going on behind the Jumpman logo there. And then we've got just a gum bottom and some nice cream eggshell color scheme and light blue. And for the insoles, they've decided to use an elephant print, which is in a nice white, gray, and blue color scheme. Let's take a look at those last and final details. far as size and fit goes, I would say stick true to size on this one. I do have higher to narrow feet, and I am a men's size 7.5. If you do have flatter, wider feet, that could differentiate something that works opposite from my own, since we do have different types of feet. So do take that into consideration when you're deciding on which sneaker size will fit right for you. All right, so now let's jump into styling. Again, really just fell in love with these colors. I think that they work so nicely together. So for the first look, I decided to wear a plaid button down that had some nice cream and blue and gray hues to it, which I feel like matched the sneaker perfectly. And then I wore a cream turtleneck underneath that and some simple just navy cargo pants. Then for the second look, I switched it up a little bit with a gray blazer, and underneath that I wore a light blue turtleneck and a just light bluish gray skirt to kind of give it a dressier feel. And then for the last and final look, I decided to wear a blue crew neck sweatshirt. And then for the bottoms, I decided to wear some gray leggings, and then I layered that with a khaki trench coat. So you let me know down below, what was your favorite look of the three, or how would you style these?
Your eyes take me home, take me to the sky. I got a good feeling. Tell me the only thing you are is mine. Take me home, take me on a ride. I got a good feeling about the colors lighting up. Your eyes take me home, take me to the sky. I got a good feeling. Tell me the only thing you are is mine now. I got a good feeling.
Now let's conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So these retailed at $200 and they are currently going between $220 to $280. All right, everyone, that is it for this unboxing and review. If you joined us for the first time, thank you so much. Be sure to hit that subscribe on your way out. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below and hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name's Marissa. We'll catch you on the next episode.